Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to upload contacts to Google Drive from iPhone in 2025. With constant updates to iOS and Google services, backing up your contacts has never been more straightforward. Whether you're switching devices or just want a secure backup, this method will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. By 2025, that means iOS 19 or whatever Apple has rolled out. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. It's the one with the little person icon. Once you're in, tap on Lists in the top left corner, then select All Contacts. Now, to export your contacts, go to the Share Contact option. For a bulk export, it's easiest to use the Share feature. Select multiple contacts or all by tapping Select All, then hit Share, and choose Export as vCard. This creates a .vcf file with all your contacts. Next, open the Google Drive app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store. It's free and integrates seamlessly. Once logged in with your Google account, tap the plus icon to upload a file. Navigate to the .vcf file you just exported from your contacts. It's probably in your Files app under Recents or Downloads. Select it, and Google Drive will upload it quickly. But wait, there's a smarter way in 2025. If you have Google Contacts synced with your Google account, you can enable automatic backup. Go to Settings on your iPhone, scroll to Contacts, and under Accounts, add or select your Google account. Turn on Contacts Sync, and voila! Your iPhone contacts will automatically upload to Google Drive via Google Contacts. This is ideal for ongoing backups. One quick tip: always double-check your privacy settings in Google Drive to ensure your contacts are secure. If you run into any issues, like sync errors, restart your iPhone or check your internet connection. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered uploading contacts from your iPhone to Google Drive in 2025. It's a simple process that protects your data. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.